Welcome back to Creative Sneha. Today I am in my village. As we show in the last video how to make a natural straw, and in this video I am going to make a natural plate. Are you surprised? Yes, you heard it right. A natural plate. I am going to make a plate by using the areca leaf. Here I am going to use this flat surface for using the plate. You should cut it, and remember that before you cut, you should need skill and force. So use a parent help. Here I have a cut flat surface of that. You can eat in this if you want a big plate. If you are two or more, you can cut here. Cut and you can use it. And remember that before why I am showing to use natural straws and natural plates, because plastic may cause many diseases. So use your homemade plates and straw, and stop plastic and make the world eco-friendly. If you don't have a areca leaf, you can even use the banana leaf for eating. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Creative Sneha. Bye.